must be wondering what made us think of launching something like this project. Well, if you're an avid computing expert, you must have been through that experience of heading for a trip when you happen to realize you're leaving behind your flash stick on the PC back at home. Even when not on a trip, you must be facing the problem of digging through your bag or pockets for your flash drive every now and then. We've been facing this for a long while now, and it's time we came up with a proper solution. Introducing Toka Flash, the world's first Apple Lightning USB 3.0 belt. Toka Flash is one of a kind. It's a complete data storage solution for those who are always on the go. From the moment the idea was conceived, we agreed on developing a device that will set a new standard in the wearable tech market. We decided to design the device right from scratch while using only the highest quality materials available. This was the only way we could come up with Toka Flash that comes with a unique bundle of data management features. The flash drive conveniently integrates in your Toka belt with the help of a unique and well-designed belt buckle. That makes your data available to you anytime at a hand's reach. Once you're done with your flash drive usage, you can simply bring the Toka Flash near the buckle frame and release your grip thereafter. The 8-strong neodymium magnets will pull it back, and your brand new flash drive will stay in place. A perfect approach for instant data transfer on the go. From transferring documents, photos, music, or video between your iOS devices and PCs, Toka Flash makes the entire process a breeze. It's one of the best concepts to have your data always with you, bar none. Carrying your flash drive won't be much of a difficulty anymore. This is one of the coolest memory flash drives which can be easily worn on your belt. It comes as a complete package, so you're all set to go from the moment you unpack the box. That way, your flash drive will always be with you, without adding to your pocket bulk at all. So even if you want to send some data from your iOS device to your PC, Toka Flash will make sure you get to do so in the easiest way possible. Apple Lightning or USB 3.0, it's entirely up to you. It comes with wireless connectivity too. We're sure you know the feeling of excitement which comes with starting a crowdfunding project and see it growing before your eyes. We ran some tests on the prototype, and to us, this is a design we just fell in love with. We definitely think people all around the globe will enjoy it too. Supporting us will make you pioneers of the project and the first ones that got their waste on it. We're now counting on you to back us and turn this concept into reality. Thank you.